Good morning. Good morning, my dear friends. Hope you are doing good and enjoying the great weekend. So today, my friends, we are going to discuss XLOOKUP. What is XLOOKUP? This is a super function, a very powerful successor of VLOOKUP. It does everything, almost everything what VLOOKUP does and what VLOOKUP don't do. So I would suggest my friends learn and practice XLOOKUP. This is a very, very beautiful function. So let's explain how it goes and what data set I have today for you. So my friends, I have data from this is a score of students from a university. This is a sample data, a test data, a dummy data. I always bring a new data set for you just to make my learning and my training more easy for my students, my friends to understand. So this is a simple student's data from different subjects. Say, for example, this is, you see, the score, subject, and the name. Very simple test data. You see, Manu Srivastava, Science, 100 numbers. Pooja Gupta, English, 83. Riya Saxena, Maths, 100. So this is simple test data. What is my requirement? My requirement is this is the name and this is the score. I want to write one formula and from there I should derive the score for the respective names. How can we do this? By using XLOOKUP. So let's start now. Let's start the formula. You see, guys, it's very, very simple. There is nothing to mug up. Just follow the syntax. So the search key. The first syntax is the search key. Very easy, guys. Just concentrate on the syntax. So the search key is the name itself. We took the name. Put the comma. Now the lookup range, where we need to find this search key. The lookup name is here itself. Let's use this one. And let's lock it up, comma. Where is my result? I am looking for score, so my result is here. So just pull the range, lock it up, comma. The biggest advantage of using XLOOKUP is if there is no data also, there is no need to write if error syntax. Just write double quotes if there is no data. Just give me no data. Simple. What is the match mode? We need exact match now. So there is no approx here. It is there we can use 0 as exact match, 1 as error, and so for here, for in my scenario, I will use 0. So let's set 0 and let's close it. And now if you see, guys, there's already a prompt there, 100. So it is showing me the correct answer. Now like it, make it as array now so that we can just hit it once and we get all the answers. Super easy. Now just hit enter. See, guys, everything is populated. Is super duper easy. See, guys, I have answer for all now. So this is, my friends, how XLOOKUP works. It is super easy. Practice it and let me know if you have questions. Subscribe my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe my channel. Let's grow together. Deep dive into data science world and learn and explore different tools used in data science for data analysis. Let's help understand data and bring meaningful informations. So thanks a lot, my friends, for joining me for the sessions. Take care. Have a good health and subscribe my channel. And next weekend, we will come up with some more wonderful sessions. So for bye for them. Take care and have a great day ahead. Thank you.